How does the EU AI Act impact global AI development? Have you ever wondered how new laws can shape the future of technology? The European Union Artificial Intelligence Act, enacted in 2024, is a game changer in the world of artificial intelligence. This law is the first of its kind to create a comprehensive legal framework for AI that reaches beyond Europe. The Act categorizes AI systems based on risk levels: minimal, limited, high, and unacceptable. Each category comes with specific obligations for developers and users. The main aim is to ensure that AI systems are safe, trustworthy, and respect fundamental rights, including health and privacy. One of the most interesting aspects of the EU AI Act is its extraterritorial effect. This means that even companies outside the European Union must comply if their AI systems are used in the EU market. This is similar to the European Union General Data Protection Regulation, which also has a global reach. So, if you are a developer in the United States or anywhere else, your AI services must meet EU standards if they are accessible to EU users. The Act also introduces specific rules for general-purpose AI models, like large language models. Providers of these models must maintain technical documentation and ensure transparency about their training data. They also need to implement measures to identify and reduce risks that could harm fundamental rights. This adds a new layer of compliance for AI developers worldwide. To enforce the Act, the European Union is setting up an AI office and a European Artificial Intelligence Board, along with national authorities in member states. This structure aims to ensure that the rules are applied consistently across the board. Other regions may look to this framework when creating their own AI regulations. From a global perspective, the EU AI Act sets a standard for responsible innovation. It emphasizes transparency, accountability, and user privacy. However, some in the AI community worry that the detailed rules could slow down innovation, especially for smaller companies that may struggle with compliance. Practically, the Act encourages AI developers everywhere to integrate risk assessment and mitigation into their workflows. It promotes best practices in documentation and user protection. While these requirements may lead to more ethical AI systems, they could also challenge companies trying to stay competitive in a fast-changing market. In essence, the EU AI Act is reshaping global AI development by establishing a legally binding framework that prioritizes safety and transparency. It affects not only European entities, but also international players whose AI systems interact with the EU market. This law is setting the stage for how AI innovation and governance will evolve worldwide.